Have you ever faced a frustrating error while working on your data projects? If you've encountered a permission-denied error in your Zeppelin notebook, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into how to resolve this issue in your AWS EMR cluster. I completely understand how annoying it can be when you're ready to run your code, and instead, you hit a wall with an error message. This is a common issue many users face, especially when dealing with permissions in cloud environments. Let's look at the specific situation. One user recently reported, "I am getting a permission-denied error while trying to execute my PySpark structured streaming program in Zeppelin." They provided the code they were using and the error message they received. Sound familiar? Let's work through this together. So what does this error mean? The permission-denied error indicates that the user Zeppelin does not have the necessary write access to the specified directory in HDFS. This is a common issue when the permissions are not set correctly for the user or group. And stick around. At the end of this video, I will share a quick tip on how to manage permissions effectively in your AWS EMR cluster. To resolve the permission-denied error, the user should first check the permissions of the HDFS directory where the application is trying to write. This is crucial because the error indicates that the user Zeppelin does not have write access. Next, the user needs to modify the permissions of the directory to allow the Zeppelin user to write. This can be done by using the HDFS command to change the permissions. After updating the permissions, the user should restart the Zeppelin notebook to ensure that the changes take effect. This step is important to refresh the environment. Finally, the user can rerun their PySpark structured streaming program. This time, it should execute without the permission-denied error. Fun fact, did you know that the name Zeppelin comes from the German inventor Ferdinand von Zeppelin, who pioneered rigid airships? Just like those airships, your data projects can soar high when everything is set up correctly. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests that the write stream query is trying to write the checkpoint location to the cloud HDFS, which causes permission issues for Zeppelin. To resolve this, they recommend specifying the checkpoint location on S3 instead. Now, let's dive into a different answer from another user. An alternative solution from another user suggests that the permission-denied error occurs because the file system does not allow the write stream to write data in the specified location. They recommend adding a checkpoint location, either in HDFS or S3. Here's the quick tip I promised. Always double-check your directory permissions before running your code. This simple step can save you a lot of time and frustration. And there you have it. You should now be able to run your PySpark structured streaming program without any permission issues. Remember, managing permissions is key to smooth operations in your AWS EMR cluster. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more troubleshooting tips.